The toggle switch, using the existing switch in a building, when you put in a Switch Genie ballast, it's an instant start T8 ballast, gives you 4 levels of lighting control on a 4-light fixture. Gives you 3 levels on a 3-light fixture and 2 levels on a 2-lamp fixture. This meets the requirements for GSA multi-level switching, for EPAC 2005 multi-level switching, and in California they call it Title 24 for multi-level switching. We also have a control that allows us to have a low voltage push button control where we can do 1 lamp, 2 lamps, 3 lamps, or 4 lamps, or off. And this works in, if you want to do a conference room, a meeting room, a church, or somebody's office where you don't want to toggle the switch and go through it. Normally, you don't use both the toggle and the low voltage switch. We also have handheld wireless, and with the wireless, we can turn on 1, 2, 3, or 4. No wires. We can also hook this up to the Johnson control system using our control module, which has 6 channels that each control up to 30 fixtures. So you can have lighting groups. So like in this room, all of these fixtures would be permanently assigned to one address on your Modbus controller coming through your standard Johnson Controls system. We operate off of Tritium and can accept the Modbus commands. If you don't have a Modbus system or a building automation system, we do have a PC-based program that works on any Windows PC that allows you to do manual control and time clock overrides. We can also use daylight harvesting and occupancy sensors to turn off lighting groups within the building on the secondary side of the control module so that you have daylight harvesting and can save energy that way, as well as with occupancy sensors. One of the benefits of our system is that it has a low voltage control that plugs into the ballast. And we operate irrespective of the power wiring that goes into the fixture. So let's say the power wiring is switched on circuit breakers or switches, and the lights run north and south. But your aisles run east and west, and you want to control the lights in the aisles. With our system, you can plug the fixtures together in a low voltage chain and now have complete control of a particular aisle, no matter how the lights were originally wired. This works great in open office planning areas where you have bullpens, and this week this area is for accounting, and next week they want to expand the marketing area and you have to change some lighting controls. We can do that. For buildings where you have production areas, warehouses, and manufacturing processes, we have the same technology that's in the ballast put into a primary switch. You can talk to it, but it will control any HID induction lamp, fluorescent T5s, or any other kind of fixture, including LEDs. We also have a 4-scene preset for 0 to 10 volt systems. And the base of our system is that it's simple. It's easy to operate. My first company was called Stage Bright, and we did theatrical lighting and we did restaurant lighting and all kinds of control. My claim to fame was that even though we may have had 30 or 40 dimmers, we had a panel up at the Maitre D station where we gave them breakfast, lunch, dinner, and cleanup. You want to make it very simple. The people who have lighting control systems, their biggest complaint is that it's too difficult to operate. Our system is very simple to operate. It will operate off the building automation system, and it will always operate off of the existing wall switch. If you have any questions, I put my business card on your desk. Feel free to contact me or Stromquist about anything that you need. We'll do low voltage wireless controls and microprocessor controls for you. If you need to do a lighting audit and have foot candle calculations done, we will do that. Our website is www.logicalightingcontrols.com.
If you need to control it or measure it, Stromquist & Company has a control solution for you. With over $2 million of inventory between our Georgia and Florida locations, an easy-to-use online ordering platform, same-day shipping, and a factory-trained team of controls experts to answer your questions, Stromquist & Company continues in its tradition of offering great service and great products.